All right, lock lovers. So I actually want to try it a different way. So I'm going to start by just having a regular ponytail holder, wrapping it around, making sure it's at the crown of my head. This is going to be so much easier than doing an entire ponytail with all my locks in it. I'm not even going front. That was so heavy. It was cute though. Okay. Let's see. Let's make sure that the locks are straight in the pony. See that? So that is really easy to do. So now I'm actually gonna take some locks from the back and just wrap it. And when I wrap it around, I'm gonna layer it, make sure it's stacked. See that? See that? And then I am going to push it in the stack, right? Okay, then I'm gonna take some more from the back. And I'm gonna bring it around the other direction, but I'm gonna stack it on top of the previous ones, right? See that stack? Okay. Stick it in there. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Girl, you better stay tall. Stop playing with me. Leaning over and shit. Hold on. I want to reinforce it a little bit. So I'm going to take some more locks from the bottom. I'm going to reinforce the base. Right? And I'm going to stick it. Are y'all seeing that? I'm stick it inside. Oh, so I'm getting cut off the frame. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now these, I'm gonna wrap you around because I don't like how you sticking up. Is this crazy? That's the effect though, honestly. Now, all right, so this is giving more palm tree. And honestly, I could make it taller. So what I'm gonna do is like the short babies. What am I gonna do? I'm just gonna keep wrapping them. Keep wrapping them and tucking them. Where did this come from? Hold on. There it goes. There it goes. Look at that. This is cute. It'll stay up. Making sure that is up and it's stuck. This is actually, it's actually what, Natalie? What is it? So this was so much easier to do. This was so much easier to do with just the top half portion. This was like a fourth of my hair. You see how I got the nice skinny tree trunk? This is a palm tree. Here you go. So what do you think, y'all? Loc lovers, I want you to drop brown hearts in the comments to let me know that you've watched both videos, the pineapple and the palm tree video. Honestly, I love them both. They're both very regal looking to me. I actually prefer the pineapple look. However, it's just too heavy for me to wear for a prolonged period of time. I can get away with wearing the palm tree look for longer, but tell me your thoughts. Love you guys.